Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the Police and Financial Investigation Division are probing allegations of irregularities at the Education Ministry, Youth and Information, as well as some of its agencies. That includes a raid today at the home of former Education Minister Reid. Our reporter Andrew Ladley was on location and has the very latest.
TVJ News understands that there has been a security presence at his College Green residence. We also understand that Mr. Reid has been locked in a meeting with his attorney. We made an attempt to enter the gated complex, but we were barred by the security guard. However, we were able to capture aerial footage of Mr. Reid's residence, which showed two men on the compound. We were told the men are investigators. One of Mr. Reid's neighbors who spoke to us said the men on the compound declared themselves as detectives when they arrived. Our news team also understands that Mr. Reid's attorney appeared at the property shortly after the police arrived. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
And Mr. Reid was fired this week by Prime Minister Andrew Holness following allegations of financial impropriety and nepotism within the Education Ministry, and Mr. Reid has denied the allegations.